Welcome guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to discuss you about the flashlight. How we can switch on the flashlight we already know, and in this video I am going to tell you some another techniques by which we can at least make the operation simple to reach the flashlight. So before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe this channel. And so just coming to the flashlight, usually what we do, just go to the notification panel and switch the flashlight on, and the flashlight is on. So now what we do to make the thing simpler, what we will do, just we will go to the setting, and in setting we will search side key, SIDE and key, side key has come. Then just tap on the side key, then tap on the side key again, and now here we see that quick launch, this is selected. Quick launch camera is selected on double press of side key. So if we double press the power on button, let us see what will happen. I double pressed it and the camera has been launched by the phone. So just going back. Now if we want to open the flashlight even when this phone is locked, then what we need to do, just tap on here and select from here open app, and then we will select torch. Now let us see what is happening. If we double press, torch is getting on. So this is another way. Now we can check it, just locking it, and if we double press it, see, torch is on. Torch is on. So double press and it is off now. So this is one more thing. The second thing I want to tell you, that how to increase the intensity. That is very simple. Just go to notification panel, and here torch is written. Just we need to press the lower side where torch is written, and here by pushing it on, we can increase the intensity level of that torch. So these are the two things which I want to discuss in this tutorial. First hidden thing was that how to switch on the torch when phone is locked before unlocking the phone and going to notification panel and then switching on the torch. If phone is locked, how can we unlock it? And the second one, how can we increase the intensity of the torch? So this is all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and please share with your family and friends, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.